Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. Today we're going to be trying to bring back to life these two ball caps here. They're in great shape, but just have no real good contour to them, no structure anymore. Now these are non-structured front caps. There's no structure really to these front two panels, and that's why they kind of flop around. So most of the time you're going to get shape by just pulling them down over your head. You're going to get the shape from the shape of your head. So if you like that, then these are probably going to work out for you. But if you like them a little higher than your head, or your skull, I guess, then you know, we can get some shape still from these two flat caps. And to do that, what we're going to use is some inserts, and let me show you those. So here are the inserts I was talking about we're going to be using. These are Vulcan V-400. I'm not sure what they like to call them. I'm going to call them inserts. Another term could be bump caps, because they're kind of a shell, and they have a foam in here. They do sell these with a cap that will, you know, go over these, and kind of like what we're going to use today. The sweatbands will go inside here, and you can actually wear the cap in this this shell as well. For what reason, I really don't know, but we're not going to go into that today. We're going to try to regain some nice shape from both of these caps, and we're going to use these guys to do that today. So let me show you how we're going to do this. What I'm going to do is, let's go ahead and set up on a tripod. So we're going to take the Krispy Kreme cap first. It's a little bit bigger than the Rocky Mountain National Park cap, and it has a strap with the buckle here, adjustable buckle. And so got that expanded pretty far, as you can see. I'm going to take our insert, and we've got the cutaway here. This is for the back towards the strap. I'm just going to put the sweatband over, starting towards the brim. Let's go with one side. And it would be really nice if we could get these corners inside here. Don't know if that's going to be possible. Some caps are not big enough for that. Can bend these a little bit. Okay, I think we got it. Try to make them even on each side as far as how much you've got pulled over. Try to bring this even with the cutout of the cap. Check that out. Beautiful. Okay, this one's good, ready to go. Now let's try the Rocky Mountain. Now this is smaller, so I don't know if we'll be able to do it the same way, but let's go ahead and remove that snapback. Try to get it lined up, see how it's off-centered. Try to get that centered. Okay, there's no way that I'm going to be able to get the corners in all the way, but that's okay. We're going to use our snapback here to tighten it. Just pulling it in, snap it like about right. Let's try that. Check that out, beautiful. Okay, let's go to the next step now. So what I'm going to do now is put some heavy starch on the front 2 panels of the caps. Don't know if I'm going to have enough starch. I like to get it to foam up. Looks like we may have just enough. Check that out. Beautiful. Okay. I could wipe some of that off. We're going to go to the bathroom and wipe some of that off. But normally I would put these outside in the sun. However, today it's about 40 degrees. There's not a lot of sun out there. So we're going to use the hair dryer to try to set the starch and dry these 2 caps. So let's go in the bathroom and we'll get started on that. Alright, here we are in the bathroom. Sorry for any echo. I've got the door closed in here. And we're going to be using the hair dryer on low heat. This will usually take about 5 to 10 minutes with the hair dryer. So let's go ahead and get started on it. I really didn't wipe very much of that starch away. It's just kind of absorbed in there. You could also probably let the caps just air dry. However, I think you'll probably get a better stiffness from the starch if you do use some heat. So let's go ahead and start it. Okay, so went ahead and took the insert out, and I wasn't really happy with it. It did have some form to it, but still not what I wanted. So we're going to go with a second layer or application of the heavy starch. And we're really in it about 10 minutes so far. If we didn't want to waste our time, or spend our time, I guess I should say, using the hair dryer, we could just wait till a nice sunny day and do this, and put them out in the sun, preferably a summer day when it's pretty hot. Look at that, that's a ton of starch on there. Okay, so let's start drying them again. Alright, we have our caps back now. They're dry. I put 2 applications as you saw in the video of the heavy starch. Still a little damp here on the seams on this cap. I can tell you right now that this one is going to look better just because the material is thicker. Let's get a listen to the sound of the material once it's dry with the starch. I really can't tell. Sometimes you can hear kind of almost a scratching sound. Yeah, like that. Versus, if you listen to this. Alright, let's take it out of the insert. Now, I'm not expecting miracles with this one, especially because it's very thin. Oh, that's not bad. That really isn't bad. I thought it would collapse as soon as I took it out. That's really not bad at all. Starting to dent in a little bit right here, but 2 applications, very good. Very happy with that cap. Could put another, if we wanted to really have it super stiff here in the front, we could put another application, but yeah, not bad. Okay, let's do this one. I know this one's going to be really nice here. Check it out. That's beautiful. All right, there you have it. Using the Vulcan V-400 inserts, shells to shape ball caps. Works pretty well, I think. Guess that's going to be it. Till next time, have a nice day. Take care.